Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the patient dashboard. The patient dashboard offers an overall view and history of the patient, which will assist the practitioner with preparing their consultation beforehand. This will include the patient's script history, notes, vitals, and pathology data that have been previously added to the system. The patient dashboard is a great tool for creating a single location for displaying important medical data you view on a regular basis. In this video, we will start on the diary screen. Start by clicking on the desired patient's booking. The diary sidebar will open. From here, go ahead and click on the patient dashboard button located on the diary sidebar. The patient dashboard screen will open. The patient dashboard will display data and patient details, including gender, date of birth, and patient status, along with other topics such as script history, vital history, notes, and pathology information. We will now take a look at the widgets displayed, as well as the other functions available on the screen. Each of the widgets shown may be clicked to enlarge the display and can reveal more details by hovering over the desired widget. By default, the patient dashboard will display the following 4 widgets. The script history widget, which will display previously created scripts. The pathology widget, which will display the patient's pathology data and results. The notes widget, which will include notes added to a clinical form as well as the patient's general notes. The vitals widget, which will display previously added vitals data that was added in a general examination form. For a more detailed view of the information contained within a specific widget, simply click on the widget itself. If you wish to exit this view, click on the X button located at the top right of the screen. The patient dashboard offers a collection of widgets that are readily available at your disposal. Click on the Show Empty Widgets button, which will showcase any empty widgets. Next, click on the Edit button. All widgets will appear at the top of the screen, either in green indicating it's visible or red indicating it's hidden. Click on the widget name to change its visibility. Next, you may create your very own widget by clicking on the Add button. The Add Custom Graph screen will open. To learn more on how to edit and create widgets, please refer to the Edit the Patient Dashboard user manual linked in this video's description. The newly created widget will now appear both at the top and on the display. If you wish to edit your widget, click on the gear icon within its name. To remove your widget, simply click on the Delete button within its name. Once you are done updating and customizing your widgets, simply click on the Save button. Your newly created as well as the updated widgets will now be displayed on the patient dashboard screen.